Hi, Sarah here. I've got a whole video for you today. All the products are from Thompson Craft Supplies, and I got hold of some of their bargain kits. They had a vintage, Valentine's and spring style kits, and they were all really cheap. They're only £10 each, so I got those as well as some other scrapping supplies and mixed media supplies for my stash. So without further ado, I'll start off by showing you the kits that I got. This is the vintage kit. I'll show you the pieces one by one. Each kit has the same amount of stuff in, but the what you get does vary slightly from kit to kit. So first off, here are my papers. I have a graphic 45 artisan style collection ink. It's called Natural Beauty, and then the reverse is green. Again, graphic 45 artisan style collection decorative flourish, and then the reverse is this beautiful blue. Next up I have Now and Then Teresa Collins. That's the reverse. Apologies if you can hear my little boy, he's singing Jingle Bells in the background, but only Jingle Bells over and over again because he doesn't know the rest of it. This one is ManxyCatCrafts Take Note collection. This one's called Noteworthy. There's text on the like that. And then this side is a cork effect with a nice branding strip. It could be utilised as well. Next up, Couture Creations Heart's Ease collection, and this one's called Pansy Grid. So this side, oh, I think these ones go that way up. This side you could use as a full sheet as a background. It's got a really nice, beautiful faded florals and text, and then the opposite side has this green fading out to the edge. It's gorgeous. Next up, Scrapberries Moments. Words Live Forever collection. So you've got the detailing in the corner, this notebook down the side, and this really interesting wood grain on the opposite side. That's cool. Next up, Bow Bunny Beautiful Dreamer. On this side is this interesting green swirls. I love this side. It's got purples, yellows, greens, lots of distressed areas. Next up, Glitz Beautiful Dreamer Toil. And this side is a illustration, and then the back is ledger paper. And finally, Glitz Design Fabulous Vintage Blue Toil, sorry. And it has this old illustration style on that side, and then like a painty distressed effect on the back. So that is the papers in the vintage style kit. I'll show you what else comes with it. You get some thickers. I think they all come with thickers, or they come with an equivalent like a chipboard or something. So I've got these thickers, these gold ones called Spooktacular. I also got this wooden shape here, some paper flowers. Sorry, I'm going to have to speed up a bit because otherwise this video is going to be really long. I've got loads to show. Some pretty flowers, a little pot of sequins, a washi, some journaling cards by Graphic 45, a wood veneer piece there, and a metal piece as well. So that is the vintage kit. Next up I will show you the spring kit. This is the spring kit. Again, they do vary what you get in them, but the monetary value of them is the same for each one, and obviously they're all themed the same. So I will go through the papers first. This one's very different to the first one. We've got this really cutesy, bold, cartoony style, which will be great for Easter projects like little Easter egg hunt style things. It'll be very cute. So this one is Celebrate Easter by Laurie Whitlock for Echo Park, and this side has got journaling cards as well as a sheeny effect on some of the cards as well. And then the reverse is this orange mute pattern. Next up we have another one that's cut apart on this side with some quotes on there, and then the reverse is a ledger. Next one is that one was Webster's Pages. Next one is Ladybird Collection by Prima. This side has detail at the bottom and then dots up the middle, and then the reverse has a zigzag with some extra details there. Next up we have Walk in the Park by Echo Park Paper, and this side is Raindrops, and the reverse is a blue design. Next up, The Sweetest Thing by Jen Allison for My Mind's Eye. These beautiful florals, and then the reverse is a lacy doily pattern. Next up, Echo Park again, some more of those cute cut parts. Celebrate Spring again, with the sheeny effect on some of them. These are so cute. They'd work really well in a planner as well, I think. I love that bee. And next up, oh sorry, the reverse of that is a green pattern. Next up, Springtime Echo Park, and this is like a scene, and the reverse on that is a yellow stripe. I'll hold that down, you can kind of see the whole thing there. And finally, Simple Stories Fresh Air Hello Spring, and it's floral on this side, and the reverse is some text, not text, script with pink background. So that's the papers in the spring kit. I'll show you the embellishments now. You get this 12 by 12 sheet. Like I say, they are different, so these aren't necessarily what you would get if you ordered one. Again, they're only £10 these. So there's all these cute stickers, and they're by Echo Park as well. Mine, I got the One Canoe to Hazelwood sticker sheet as well, which is double-sided. You get a selection of 2 different collections of chipboard stickers as well, and I got a few from this Easter one, and then a few from, I think that might be a Maggie Holmes one, might be Carousel, I'm not sure. So I got those as well, and this chipboard with cute butterflies on, which is really pretty, I love that. Again, you get some Prima flowers and some I Am Roses. You get some sticky notes, a napkin for decoupage, some washi, wooden bees, and a few pieces of ephemera. And that is the spring scrapbook kit. Finally, I have the Valentine's one, so I'm just going to manoeuvre these a little bit first so that I can fit more paper in, and then I'll show you that.